Hello homemakers, today I'm going to share with you a simple way to fill your piping bag. First of all, you want to open up the piping bag and cup it into your hand and make a dip just like in there. And you want to use a spatula to put your buttercream straight into there. Remember to open your hand into a sort of cup C-shape form so that you keep the piping bag open. It's important not to overfill your bag, otherwise it can be messy to get it all in. Once it's in, just pull the ends of the piping bag and gently just shake so that the buttercream goes in there. And what I like to do is use the edge of a smoother or palette knife, or you can just use a kitchen knife and just smoosh and squish all the buttercream nicely down, and that's a very nice neat trick. And when you're done, just secure the end, either tie it up or use a paper clip, and voila, there is your piping bag all filled, ready to pipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for watching.